And this video is for the mineral lamp. This is the NSL 101 salt lamp. Here's the lamp itself. Also comes with a dimmer switch. Very good for relaxation and air purification. And if you didn't know this, for Himalayan sea salt lamps, the only ones that are real are made in Pakistan. So this is what the base looks like. It's got a wooden base, the cord going inside. Okay, so already looks pretty cool by itself, but let's turn the lights off and let's use this dimmer switch right here and we'll turn it on. And you get a nice orange glow to it, a nice kind of orange and pink glow. But this is what the lamp looks like, but very good to have this dimmer switch that you can go up and down at nighttime, whatever your preference may be. And that is for the mineral lamp. Very cool to have in your room, in your living room, at your desk, wherever, in your kitchen, wherever you might want it.